Hello kids! In this video I am going to show you how to find the values of missing sides when you have two similar triangles, like in this example. So these triangles, as you can tell by their shape, are similar, but just to make sure, we can assert that this angle measures the same that this angle, this other angle measures the same that this one, and this one is the same than this one. Now we have corresponding angles with the same measures. That means that they are similar. Now, when we have similar figures, not only triangles, but in general any pair of figures that is similar, we can also say that the division of corresponding sides has to be always the same. Like for example, if we divide this by this, the result should be the same than this one divided by this one, and then this one divided by this one, because we are dividing always corresponding sides. And that is what we are going to use in order to know how to find the missing values, like this one. A is a number that we don't know, and B is another number that we don't know. That is why we call them with letters, because we don't know them. So my recommendation for this type of exercises is that you begin with the big triangle, because that way it will be easier. It doesn't mean that starting with the small triangle is not possible. Of course it is going to be possible, but it's generally easier if you begin with the first one. Like here, let's begin with this side and its corresponding. So we can know that 15 divided by 5 is the number 3. Okay, that's our first fact. And knowing that, we can also say that 12 divided by A is also going to be 3. So what is A? What number divided by 12? Sorry, what number do you use in order to divide 12 and get 3? So a lot of you probably already know that the answer here is 4. Okay, so A is the number 4. Now we can do exactly the same with the other pair of sides, V and 6. And sorry for don't circling this properly. So B and 6, always remember, if we started with the big one, we also start with the big one in all of the cases. So first B, because it's part of the big one, and then 6. Okay, B divided by 6 is also 3. So what number divided by 6 could result in 3? Well, a lot of you probably already know that the answer here is 18. So B is 18, and now we already found the values of these missing sides.